Hey guys, welcome back, and today we have the Hot Ones. This is a brick shop by Mattel. It has a 1990 Honda Civic right here. They call it the Civic EF Custom. It does come with those wheels that you could swap them out. You could potentially make it look like this, build and customize. Now, I got this straight from Mattel. I will put the price right around here because I don't remember straight up my head. It is not expensive, but it did come damaged. The box came damaged. I'll put some pictures here how the box looks. But let's just get this open and start putting it together. Now I know these resell online for a lot, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use it as it's intended, and I'm going to build it, and then I'm going to show it off in my room. So here it is. So it's kind of reminiscent of like Lego. You get more bricks right here to build it. I'm not saying this is kind of like a rip-off of Lego, but I'm going to do some research and see if Lego and Mattel are the same company, but Mattel calls it the brick shop. So it does tell you how to build it. 1987, it gives you the story, and then it does come with some stickers so you could apply. It has the Honda logo, VTEC stickers all over the place, Honda Racing, Sparco, the Hot Wheels logo. But I'm going to build it, and then I'm going to leave it plain, and if I want to put decals on it, then I'll put some on there. So I'm going to start building this, and I'll record some parts, and then once I'm finished, I'll show you the results. So stay tuned. Alright, so I am done. Here it is. I put the gold wing or the gold wheels on because I think they look better. The doors open and close. The hatch does not open, and it feels really good in the hands. Looks really cool. The front end looks really cool with the headlights and the fog lights, really bringing back those 90s vibes. Although the wheels, this was not a spec in the 90s, but it's still a custom vehicle. There is nothing inside the doors, and I haven't really put any stickers on. I think I'm going to keep it like this because I think it looks better this way. This right here, this kind of like rainbow that you see right here, that is not the filter that I have on my camera. That is actually on the glass like that. And you can see it says Honda, has the Honda logo, Civic 9068. On the bottom, it does come with this Hot Wheels plaque, and it says Honda Civic EF, Honda 2026, Mattel. You do have an exhaust pipe, and you could, drive this thing or push it. It rides like a normal Civic. The instructions are pretty clear compared to Hot Wheels, not Hot Wheels, but Legos and the Civic itself. this is what a lot of people are looking for. Also looks pretty cool compared to the car. There's a little baby Honda Civic and the Brick Shop Mattel Civic. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I've seen these people selling these online. It's really hard to find in the store shelves. Either the employees are stealing or not stealing them, they're hiding them to buy them and resell them. Scalpers are online reselling them for triple their value, and it really destroys the hobbyist or those who collect Hot Wheels like myself. So as soon as the Mattel Creation website posted these for sale, I had to get one. But anyways, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If I end up putting stickers on it, I will update you guys. And that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.